Thank you so much for joining us today. Please subscribe to our channel now and don't miss a thing. Let's do a really quick chair repair.
Because we have this piece and this is solid wood, he's gonna fix this and you'll never know it even happened.
Well, it's a good thing that they didn't throw the piece away, because this would be a perfect example of something that gets broken in daily use and the family would set it to the curb. They'd throw it away thinking the chair is no good anymore. But actually this is a real simple fix, and we're going to just use some quick setting super glue. And I just bought a couple of different style clamps. It's a little bit unusual of an area to get into, so you just want to be able to have a clamp that easily holds that piece while the glue dries. There are a couple of things to keep in mind though. This is nice because it's a clean break. It's an easy fit, you know, there's no pieces missing. I want to take a little bit of used sandpaper and just scuff up that, get that dried glue off of there. I think it's been fixed before, and obviously it didn't take. So we want to create a little bit of a kind of a bond or a tooth for that glue to hold that in place. And then also you can kind of see we want to make a nice clean fit there so it's not sticking out. And when we're done with it, we'll sand over it and smooth it out, and then you should not be able to feel it or see it. So easy fix. So I'm going to do is take a little bit of the glue. Doesn't take much. And this is just, I bought this is a medium viscosity glue, so it's not super thin. And I just want to put enough on here to create a good contact surface here. Once we left it clamped up for about an hour or so, we just want to let it dry. We just took some sandpaper. And you still want to feel it. So the lines are nice and tight. There's no rough spots and stuff. So now it's ready for paint. You won't see it by the time we're done painting it with a couple coats of paint.
That's amazing.
It's an easy fix.
Thank you so much for joining us today. You'll notice with this project we ended up using super glue, which works awesome on wood projects, most times better than wood glue. Look, you can't even tell which chair was damaged. It looks like brand new. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next time.